Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you all doing? I thank you all for tuning in. God bless you. So guys, I want to show you how I made this delicious and beautiful recipe. So guys, this food was so delicious. When I mean delicious, it's very delicious. Guys, try this recipe. You will like it. You will like it. Very sweet, and your children, your husband will like it as well. So guys, look at the way I'm eating it. Look at the way I'm eating it. This is one of the best recipe, I promise you guys. Okay guys, let's get started. So guys, first of all, this is the meat I'm going to use for this recipe. That is turkey meat. Now I'm spicing the meat. So I started with my chopped onions. After that, I added some thyme and some rosemary and the nutmeg, curry, and this mangi cube. So after that, I stir it. After stirring, I cover it. I make sure it steam for like 5 to 6 minutes before I added some water. So guys, this is after 5 to 6 minutes. So I add some water, as you can see guys. Then I started stirring and I cover the meat to make sure it cook very well. So at this time, I'm using, this is what I'm using for this recipe: potato and dried plantain. So I'm peeling the plantain. Then I chop it to cube size. After then, I continue. At this time, I'm peeling the potato. And also make sure I chop it into a cube size. I so much love this recipe guys. I love it. It was so delicious. So this is how it comes out. So beautiful. Then the meat is cooked. It's time to separate the meat from the bone. After that, I chop. So I turn it into a bowl and I continue. At this time, I'm done with the meat. So this time, I'm going to chop my red onions. So guys, if you have watched this video to this stage, please and please help me to click that red button that says subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Subscribe to my channel guys. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to give me thumbs up by clicking that like button guys. Please, I love you guys. So let's continue. At this time, I'm done with the onions, so it's time to slice the red bell pepper. I'm also done chopping the red bell pepper. So it's time to fry the ripe plantain. So I'm going to fry the ripe plantain first. So as I'm frying the plantain, at the same time, I was chopping my fresh pepper. I'm done chopping the fresh pepper. Now the plantain is ready. Wow, so beautiful. Comes out with beautiful color. After that, I started frying the turkey meat. This is the turkey meat that I chopped earlier. As you can see, the turkey meat is ready. At this time, I'll separate it from the oil. After that, I started frying my potato. Wow, so beautiful. So after this, I pour my chopped onions into the oil. Allow it to done for some time. Look at my potato. Ah, very beautiful. This food there. So at this time, I add some thyme and the nutmeg into the onions. Allow them to steam together. Then I added the chopped red bell pepper and the fresh pepper. And I added some salt. Stir it together. So I cover it for some time. After like 3 minutes, I pour in the tomato. This time I added some curry and crayfish, blended crayfish. So I added my Maggi cube, as you can see. Then I'll cover it, allow it to cook for some time, and after like 2 to 3 minutes, and then add the stock water. So I'll stir it again. I'll still cover it again. At this time, it's okay. And I pour in the turkey meat that I fried earlier today. So after adding it, I stir. Then I'll cover it with low heat. Allow it to steam for like 3 minutes. At this time, it's okay. It's ready. So I now added my fried ripe plantain and also add the potato, fried potato. Then I stir it together. I stir it. After stirring it, I allow it to penetrate the stew and the plantain potato to penetrate together. You understand? The stew will penetrate with the potato and the ripe plantain. So that is how it comes out. So beautiful. Then it's time to serve. Guys, we really enjoy this food. We enjoy this food. Try this food, guys. Try it. You will like it. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, guys, and hit that red button. Share this video. Share to your friends, your sisters, your brothers. Share my video, guys. Help me to share this video. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much. Join me, guys. Let's eat together. It was so delicious.